So I ran into my first issue. Not really an issue. I kind of knew this, but I was preparing. As you saw earlier, I have these anchor bolts here. I have these anchors, and I was going to use this to install it into the drywall. And I see a TV mount here. So I thought that this will be able to work. However, this particular product says, as I showed you in the last clip, if you can see that there, it says only install this on the studs of the wall. And the only reason why I was going to not install it into the stud is because, one second, I got something. Perfect. So as you can see here, this right here is where there's a stud, and these studs are placed every about 19 inches. So last night I kind of mapped this out. So the next stud isn't about to right here. But as you can see, neither one of those puts the TV in the center of the wall. But this is going to be the closest one. So I'm just going to move everything over and make sure I install it on this stud right here. And it should be okay, because as long as I install it like this, it can swing both ways, this way. And then if you swing it over, which is very tough, probably need some WD-40 for this thing. But hold on. I can swing it over and then bring this around, and it can go to that side too. So we'll basically just have it to where it's majority of the time it's going to be facing this way on the wall. So that'll pretty much put the TV in that center position, if that makes sense. So let's get back to this. I'm gonna put it on time lapse so I can get this done. But yeah, be right back.